Sort package. Package sort is a package that contains utilities for the sorting process. In order for our data to be sorted, we must implement a contract in the sort interface. We'll start by creating a file. Add the package main declaration and the main function. Firstly, we have a slice named intSlice which contains a series of unsorted integer values. To sort this slice, the sort int's function is utilized, which is part of the standard Go package named sort. This function arranges the elements in the slice in ascending order. After sorting, the content of the sorted integer slice is printed using the fmt command. Following that, we encounter another slice named strslice, holding a series of unsorted string values. To sort this slice, the sort strings function is employed. This function arranges the elements in the slice according to lexicographical order, or in other words, alphabetical order. Once the sorting process is completed, the content of the sorted string slice is printed using the fmt command. Now let's run code. As you can see, this is the result of the sort package.